bad things, fine as hell.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Nelly Mwangi. I do fashion, travel, lifestyle, motherhood kind of content here on YouTube and on Instagram. I also have a blog under the name Geek on Fashion. I will leave all that linked down below in case you want to check them out. Today's video, as the title suggests, is a handbag unboxing. I will leave the name of the handbag in the caption. It's a Chloe bag. This is my first ever Chloe anything. I've never indulged with a brand per se, so this is the first time I am buying Chloe. Yeah, so I ordered this bag pre-loved. The pre-loved market has become a place that I really enjoy shopping because not only do I get a deal, I also get items that are otherwise difficult to find brand new. And I have a blog post up about buying pre-loved and everything you need to know, and I've shared 3 websites that I've actually used to ship pre-loved. If you don't know, I am in Nairobi, Kenya, and most of these pre-loved stores are outside of Africa. So yeah, if you want to know more, just click in the link down below to take you to my blog where I talk all things pre-loved. Anyway, yeah, so I got this bag when today is Tuesday. I got it last week Friday. Yeah, I think I got it last week Friday, and so I've pretty much, you know, held myself from wearing this bag. I have opened the box, but I have not worn the bag out yet. I haven't even cut the tags, and I wanted to take you through this bag quickly. So it came in a DHL box. It was addressed to my contact in the UK, and then the person sent it to me in Nairobi. I bought it from a site called Designer Exchange. And this is just, I believe, my invoice. Yeah, it's a dispatch note. It just tells you what the item was. So it is the Nano Drew bag. Mine is a size Nano, and it's made of leather. Yeah, and it tells you how much it was and all that stuff. So that's just that. This is from Designer Exchange. So the bag came in a DHL box. It did not come in an original Chloe box. It also did not come with the original Chloe paperwork, but it did come with the Chloe dust bag. I think I've shown that in a little unboxing I've just done. So it came in a Chloe dust bag. I hope this is not washed out. It's a really nice cotton bag. I love when luxury items come with this kind of things because they just help keep your stuff safe when you're traveling or when you're not using. I just like that. So it's also a plus. And this is the actual bag. Ooh. Oops. Okay. All right. So this is the bag. She is the cutest little thing I have ever seen. Apart from my LV mini, yeah, the Nano, I haven't seen a cuter bag than this. Okay, this is the smallest Chloe bag they have. I will leave the measurements of this tiny cutie pie in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out. You'll have a lot of information if you just go down there. So it's an orangey red color. It's actually two-toned. So let me just bring it closer. There you go. So this is real, like this is red, and it's a different kind of leather from this leather. There we go. This is more orangey and this is red, and it just feels so good. But it's also very heavy because of this gold chain. Yeah. And when I saw this bag, first of all, it's the price that attracted me to it. So these bags normally retail for about $1,800. They are very pricey, and they're also very much in demand. So it's very hard to find, one, the Nano or the Mini, and second, to find the colorway that you want. So they are very much in demand. And so I scored this bag for not even half, because half would be, yeah, so like a quarter of the price. So this bag was introduced to the market in 2014, the fall of 2014, and it's just a chic yet simple bag, and I think the chicness and the elegance comes from the chain and the lock and key feature. I believe this bag can be worn day to night. The night is just the bling bling bling, and for day you just wear it as a crossbody bag or as a shoulder bag. If you're wondering what this is, so usually pre-loved items come with this tag that's like a return tag. Please note, returns will only be accepted if this tag remains attached, meaning you did not buy this bag and then you took a bunch of photos in it, or you just used it and then returned it back and said, oh, I don't want it, give me my money back. So once you cut this off, it means that you are keeping the bag, and so it just has all the paperwork for returning the bag if you don't like it. I love this bag. Like most pre-loved items I have bought, the description did not do it justice. This particular site, the designer exchange site, they rank them up to 5 being perfect condition. This was a 3 out of 5. Where this is a 5 out of 5 bag. This is definitely a 5 out of 5 bag. It is so spotless. Honestly, whoever had this bag did not wear it. The chain has no scuffs. It's just beautiful. So I'm just gonna cut this off because I intend to keep this bag. So how you get into this bag, you just pull this out, then you twist the lock, and then you lift it up. There we go. And then once you lift it up, it has this sort of strap, which this is hooked onto, and it just says Chloe right there, and also Chloe somewhere here, and Chloe right there as well. Then you get into the bag. There's just leather inside as well, and it has this mini pouch, and inside the pouch, I don't know if you can see, there's another tag, and this just gives you the stamp. Let me just find it. There it is. There's a little tab, this one right there, and that's what will give you the date stamp for the bag. Yeah, so it has this tiny pocket, right, and then it's just hollow inside. This bag, it has no stains. It's perfect. It's gorgeous. I've been so lucky to find such gems on the pre-loved market. Yeah, so this is how the bag looks. I plan on styling this bag casual. My style is it's simple, casual, but it can also be very chic if you wear just plain black and this be your pop of color. I see that. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to post some shots of me wearing the bag so you can see how long it actually is. I'll wear it shoulder strap or crossbody, and I also believe if I want to hold it as a clutch, I can just put this chain in here and just hold it as a clutch. I mean, lately I've just been loving mini bags, and I'm so happy that I have this one in my collection. Yeah, so this is my newest tiny bag, and I cannot wait to wear it, because once I start wearing this bag, it will be like all my handbags. I will just wear it for like the next month, every day, back to back to back, and I cannot wait. So yeah, there it is. I have my scissors. We'll just cut this off. And put it aside together with the rest of the paperwork. And there we have it. And there we have it. My little Chloe Drew bag. She is really stunning. She is so gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment down below about thoughts on this bag. Also subscribe to my channel to enjoy more fashion content. Yeah, and a thumbs up if you want to see what fits inside, how I style it. Now this bag actually goes with my outfit today. Yeah, because I have my red lips. This lipstick is from Canva. I have my hair slicked in a low bun, very chic. And this ponytail extension is from Geek hair. I will leave a link down below. My nails are also red, and my dress is from the Geek boutique. My watch is Michael Kors. So catch you on my next one. Love and light. Peace.